Hi there, I just thought I'd give a tutorial on how to brew a Chemex pour over. The first item we'll need today is a burr grinder. Then we'll need a kettle, coffee of course, a Chemex brewer or Chemex style brewer. There's all different types out there, whether you buy Chemex or you buy a different brand, very similar products. And then you can use Chemex filters or similar filters as well. Today we have Chemex brand. We also carry these on our website, so feel free to check that out. The first thing we'll be doing is just opening up our bag. Today we'll be using a Guatemalan. It's roasted to a medium, but it has very light flavors. So today we have a Chemex brewer that's 500 mils. So we're going to be using about 30 to 35 grams of coffee. We're going to be grinding it at about 16 or so on the Baratza. This gives us about a medium fine. When I'm grinding, and I change beans in the grinder, I'll always just run the grinder for a little bit to get those old beans out, and we'll knock out the old beans. So after you put those beans in the compost, it's time to do your grind. I'm going to be doing about 30 grams of beans for this 500 gram container. And once those are grinding, I'll just turn my kettle back on and make sure I'm up to boiling. Then we're going to rinse our filter. We're going to put the extra layered side on the spout so it doesn't crimp in, and then airlock our coffee. Rinsing and swishing will also help heat up the carafe. Okay, now we're going to zero out our scale. Okay, so now we have our 30 grams or so of coffee, of Guatemalan here. It's great for pour over and drip. The next thing we're going to be doing is starting our bloom phase, and I'll just set the camera up again here. So during this phase, we've poured our coffee in, and we're going to just make a small well for everything to go in. Our coffee up to boiling again. I've been trying to record this, so it's taken a little while. And I'm not a right-handed person, so we'll just try and make this work. Okay, got our timer on, and try and use my left hand. So I'm just trying not to disturb the base too much. Okay, so there we go. That looks a little better. Some of the gas is coming out of the coffee. and this process it's going to take about 4 minutes. So we're going to just keep on filling as we need, and I'll get back to you as soon as we're done here. So on that last drawdown, the bed of the coffee was fairly flat, which is what you're kind of looking for. I don't normally pour into a clear glass, but I just wanted to see if some of the color comes through. We'll take a swig and see how it tastes. Nice and smooth. Definitely some light flavors. Some orange and almond. Nice and sweet. And that's how you brew a Chemex.